So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made a video for a multi-million-dollar company using just a $400 GoPro, mostly the 360 Max camera. What? It's a billion-dollar company. I did not charge enough money for this. So earlier this year, I was approached by an agency to produce a social media advert for a water company. Now, the cool part was they pretty much gave me full creative freedom to do whatever I want, and I figured an immersive POV style video was probably going to be the best thing to do. The video is not sponsored by that water company or any brand for that matter, including AG1. I do like this product, it's very cool. I'll have an affiliate link below. It's actually sponsored by my video filters, but more on that later. So this is going to be the opening shot in the video. I've got the GoPro MAX, the mouth mount here. I'm going to jump in the bed. Basically, it's going to be a waking up shot, ripping open the cover, and sort of as I get to the edge of the bed here, this is where it's going to sort of transform and transition. We're going to frame match my body and my legs. So for this next shot, we've come out to the swimming pools, specifically this diving board here. And the plan for this shot is I'm gonna have the GoPro MAX in my mouth, and Alex is gonna jump off the diving board next to me. And the shot before this will be me sitting on the edge of a cliff. Suddenly it changes to the edge of a diving board. We both jump off, hit the water, and then that splash transition at the water will then transition to a water slide shot, which we'll get a bit later. It's probably 15 degrees, not even 20 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius. So at least it looks warm, but it's not warm. So this is not as fun to shoot as it might look, but we're getting it done. We're getting it done. So we're on our way to go jet skiing right now. We're gonna be super quick in and out, get like literally 2 or 3 POV shots. We've got to be super quick because we've only got a little bit of sunlight, so let's hit it. You know I try so hard, but I think you don't see me cause I'm moving so fast. We call it rock and rollin'. I want that seems useless cause you're on to me. You are impossible to be, you're always straight controlling. Helmet section for the boys. Do you think people will take me seriously if I put on my speed shades? Okay, this is perfect. Now people will take me more seriously. Okay, so for this shot, we've come out to Atlantis Dunes. We're here with Wild X Adventures. We've got some ATVs, and we're gonna make a transition from the previous shot where we were riding jet skis, and basically I'm gonna frame match my arms and the jet ski with the ATV. So it'll hopefully transition pretty seamlessly. I've done it before in a previous project, but now we're gonna do it with the Max. So I think it'll be even easier to frame match. And then we'll cut to, it'll blend straight into action shots, and what I think will work is we'll ride along the ridgeline here and bank up on the sand dune, get some cool ATV action going, and then it'll jump cut to somebody then throwing me the Bon Aqua water bottle, take a swig, and we'll use that as a transition to probably skateboarding at the pump track. But let's go have some fun. Yeah. Speed dealers, if you ain't first, you're last, boy.
Oh, sorry. Okay, one more. I got this.
Yeah. No, wait for.
Get a flow going. Just
Yeah. And yeah, let's go. Nice. This is so ridiculous. Trick of the day show.
Content created.
Yeah. So a cool thing with this campaign is we're also giving away a Hero 11. So this video was actually shot back in May before the Hero 12 was released. So we're actually giving away the Hero 12, not the Hero 11. So if you want to win it, I'll have it over on my Instagram. The competition will be happening there. Go check it out. All the competition details will be there. And by the time you're watching this, there's probably only a couple of days left to enter. So get on it quick. And seeing as this video doesn't have a sponsor, if you want to support me and you enjoy the content on this channel and you have a GoPro and you want to make your footage look better, I have my own custom GoPro LUTs and presets for your photos and videos. Snowboarding, skiing, skydiving, free diving, scuba diving, a filter for all different kinds of activities. So if you want to check out more about that, I will also have that link below. Anyway, let's get back to the video. All right, so for this next scene, we've come out to the specialized pump track here in Stellenbosch. And basically, in the previous shot, we were on the ATVs and somebody threw me the water bottle and I take a sip. And now we're gonna turn that in transition. So I'm gonna take another sip here with the Max, come down from the sky, and then basically jump on the skateboard and run around the pump track. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna have someone in one of these corners, one of these circles. I'm gonna skate around the bank and high five them. And then that's gonna transition to the next scene. So let's get into it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. Sick. For this next shot, so what I was thinking is I'm actually going to use the transition we did at the pump track skateboarding, and when the high five happens, it's going to be a transition high five to here sandboarding, and then we'll whip transition into the next shot, which will probably be volleyballing. We might do a couple takes, freestyle a bit, could turn out different in post-production, but I think that's the concept we're going for right now. This is changing things up from the original script I had because I wasn't anticipating sandboarding. But on a day like today, one of the only sunny days we've had in the last 3 weeks, you kind of just got to make the most of it. That did good. Oh.
Good.
I just stopped.
Know what to say.
Oh, it's gonna be a good one. Oh yeah! Oh shit! Sandboarding was a success. Got the shot we needed.
First try.
First try. On to the next one.
So this next shot, we just set up a volleyball net on Glen Beach, and we're gonna get a couple POV volleyball shots, again with the GoPro MAX. Just such an insane backdrop with the 12 apostles, the beach, the ocean. We're gonna transition into this shot most likely from the sandboarding shot we got at the sand dunes, and then from this, we're gonna transition out to an SUP shot at Llandudno Beach. Basically, I'm gonna play volleyball, get a couple of shots, and then I'm gonna do this jumping transition into the SUP, and that'll be our next shot. Let's give it a go.
Nice. Woo! Yeah, let's go. Dylan's getting ready to go in the water. We're going to shoot some POV shots. Just want to quickly show the POV setup we've been using for the video. We've got the GoPro MAX with the bite mounts from GoPro. So Dylan puts it in his mouth,
gets epic POV surf shots. And then for safety, because you can't put a float on the GoPro Max, we use this little fishing line that we tether to his wetsuit top, so that if it does fall out, we're okay. There we go.